Hello, my name is Maikon and today I will tell you everything you need to know about blood pressure support before purchasing the product. I also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the blood pressure support supplement is to be very careful with which website you will buy because blood pressure support is sold only on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video and also fixed in the first comment. But what is VitaPost Blood Pressure Support? It is a custom combination of botanicals and vitamins formulated to support blood pressure levels already within the normal range. It is always important to monitor blood pressure levels, and if in doubt, consult a health professional. VitaPost Blood Pressure Support can nutritionally support heart health, cardiovascular health, and a healthy lifestyle. What are the benefits of blood pressure support? Your heart works hard, tirelessly, without stopping. The ingredients of blood pressure support work to support this never-ending endeavor by supporting the cardiovascular system as a whole. Blood pressure support includes essential vitamins C, B6, B12, niacin and folate to maintain cardiovascular health. It is recommended that some simple lifestyle practices are implemented, such as exercising regularly and eating a balanced diet. In addition to these, supplements can also be taken to provide nutritional support to the circulatory system and cardiovascular health. With hawthorn extract, olive leaf and hibiscus flower, blood pressure support combines herbs and vitamins that have been used traditionally for generations. Love your heart and feed it with nutritional knowledge. Blood pressure support. Will it help me have a healthier heart? Yes. Today VitaPost Blood Pressure Support Supplement comes helping thousands of people with its mix of specially formulated and safe ingredients, which are hawthorn extract, hibiscus flower, niacin, garlic, vitamin C, olive leaf and vitamin B6 and B12. Even the ingredients of blood pressure support have been presented in various media and clinics and research organizations. Blood pressure support is different from anything you've experienced in your life before. Do I need a prescription for blood pressure support? Blood pressure support is available for purchase without a prescription. How to use blood pressure support? Take one capsule 1 to 3 times a day with food or as directed by your healthcare professional. Do not exceed the recommended dose. This product is not intended for pregnant or lactating mothers, children under the age of 18 or individuals with a known medical condition, including cardiovascular disorders or hypotension. If you are taking any prescribed medications, including high blood pressure medications, and have questions about the convenience of taking this product, consult a doctor before taking this product. Can I return my closed vials of blood pressure support? Yes. The company supports this supplement 100%, so they are more than happy for you to return their closed vials of blood pressure support within 5 months after purchase. So I recorded this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy blood pressure support, and also if you buy the product, do the exact treatment take seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because your body acts in a very peculiar way. I want you to keep in mind that there is no super magic product in the world. You should do the treatment correctly as indicated by the product to get the best results. I hope this video has helped, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments below that I will be happy to help you. And remember, if you want to buy blood pressure support with an exclusive discount, I added the link to the official website in the description below this video, and also fixed in the first comment. Bye. See you later.